Let's have a look at cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning equipment. There are various essential cleaning items that need to be in place in order to ensure that our coffee workstation and equipment stay spotless. The stainless steel or rubber blind filter. This is inserted into the portafilter to push the water and detergent back into the espresso machine to clean the internal elements. This pushing back is referred to as backflushing. Then we have the Palo coffee tool. This is the brush that is used to clean the group heads, the portafilters and the baskets. The scoop is used to measure the required detergent. Finally, the espresso machine cleaning detergent. This is scooped into the portafilter on top of the blind filter to clean the inside of the espresso machine.